Just an update on the 5-inch gauge railway. Basically I've taken all the track back up, reballasted it and put in a check rail all the way around the curve, and reballasted all of the track, lifting it and getting it pretty much level. It's quite a big embankment, but now it's all pretty much level now. So it's all the way through here to the other end. The coaches a bit further along. I've spent the whole day just ballasting it all back in again. It's the check rail. $16mm aluminium rail. Got it from Maxi Track, which have always been pretty good with delivery and costs. Pretty good. So basically took out the PMP plastic chairs and screwed the rail and the check rail in. So, and it works really well. It's a 12-foot radius, which Maxi Track kindly bent for me. And no more problems with the coach. It goes round, the loco seems to run okay. Hopefully I'll get that out in the next day and give it a proper run.